What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. As y'all can see, I'm in school right now. Got the Texas Speed Cam with me. I'm about to unbox it and install the springs on them. So y'all be patient with me. Go pick them up. Partner right there, Art again. What's up? Got these springs in the back here. Cam in the front. Springs in the back.
They looking great.
Go ahead and grab them, put them on the table over there.
Alright.
We're gonna get this. Okay, YouTube. Got my tool from school. Okay guys, I couldn't film, work on that, do my homework or classwork and this and at the same time. So anyway, we got all the springs off. New springs. I don't understand why they didn't send new keepers, but these don't seem too messed up. So I'm gonna reuse these. I'm just waiting on the assembly lube. I'm gonna pull these off, the old ones off, and new ones on. Put them back on. Only took about 3 minutes to do it. With that tool right there. Okay, you guys. Y'all here for the first time, I appreciate it if y'all subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of my own work. Assembling this motor, to pulling the old one out and putting a new one in. So also I got that Terminator X Max on the way, so y'all stay tuned. It's on back order right now, so but that should be here probably mid-October, around the 15th, something like that. So trying to get this swap done before Thanksgiving, before the snow hit the ground, and then from there I'll let me put this on here for him. That's how I'm doing it, Facebook. I mean, damn, YouTube. here, there, cap it. Got all of them in here. Now it's time to put the springs on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut y'all off and I'm gonna put the springs on. Then I'll show y'all the finished product. But there's plenty of videos out there on YouTube on putting springs on heads. But I'm just recording mine, documenting my build. Appreciate y'all watching. Get back with y'all in a second, and stay tuned for the build, man, as I torque these heads on top of the 6.0 and install the Terminator X, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll get back with y'all. Peace.